entertainer. I say, fuck that. I am a role model. You can look at me to be a role model. You're gonna see how a husband is supposed to treat his wife. You're gonna see how a father is supposed to treat his daughter. And you're gonna see how a man treats black women, black queens when he comes in the presence of her. So I'm good with that. You can put all that pressure on me. You can put all that pressure on me. I'll take all that shit. Because I'm holding myself accountable. And that's why
kick me, and I do all these things responsibly. But this is really the thing that gets me out of the bed easy, is to spread love and to receive it. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's to black women, whether it's to black men, and really everybody, but especially us. And I'm unapologetic about that, and I think we all should be able to. Thank you for doing this.